Hi there, welcome to Maths Camp channel. Let's see this question of trigonometry. So here we have two triangles. If you look carefully, we have PSQ one triangle and SQR the other triangle. Let's read out the information. It says two right angle triangles are shown below. PQ is 10 centimeter, which is this. QR is 3 centimeters there. Angle QRS, which is this. 65 degrees. Calculate the size of angle PQS. So that means we have to find this angle. So first thing first, to find out this angle, we have to see the right angle triangle, and this side according to this theta, because x is going to be theta, this side is going to be hypotenuse because this is opposite to 90 degrees, and this side is going to be adjacent. But the thing is, to find out angle, we must have at least two sides. So, but here we have only one side. That means we have to go to the other triangle. First, we have to find out this side. So to solve this side, we have to go to this triangle, which is downside. I'm going to erase it so that I can label it again according to SQR. So here, this is a theta. Now this side, which is given, is adjacent. So it is going to be A. And this side we have to find out. It is going to be opposite this time. So, ka, toa. So which ratio has opposite and adjacent? It is tan theta. So to find out side SQ, I'm going to use tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Tan theta is going to be 65. Opposite side is, we have to find out which is SQ. So I'm just writing SQ over adjacent is 3 centimeter. So to find SQ side, sorry, I forgot. So 3 will move here. It will multiply 3 times tan 65 degrees will be equal to our SQ side. At this point, I'm going to use calculator. So 3 into tan 65 degrees will give me 6.4335. As this is not the final answer, so I'm going to use at least 3 DP answer. So SQ is going to be 6.434, 6.434 centimeter. So now I'm going to label my shape. So I'm going to raise this side. So this side is 6.434. As we have to find out x. Now this is our theta. According to this theta, this 6.434 is going to be adjacent side, and this 10 is going to be hypotenuse because it is opposite to 90 degrees. To see which ratio has adjacent and hypotenuse side, in this case we have cos. This is going to be used here. So cos theta is, we have to find out, adjacent side is 6.434 over hypotenuse is 10. So to find out theta, we have to move cos to the side. So cos will be converted into cos inverse 6.434 over 10. Now at this point we have to use calculator. So we have to find shift cos to write cos inverse. Then we have 6.434 over 10, bracket close, and this will give us theta is going to be 49.95. So that's, if we deal with 1 dp, so it's going to be 50.0 degrees. So this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Take care. Bye bye.